human time. So up have I will go deep for my knees and found such as in my earth. As every day intent hath brought my roots and underneath the roses dispersed. That eyes that contrary from my eyesight and heavy with the rain and that is far. And just to know where he's looking and giving himself full majesty. The king most proud of that because of his child. He simply was designed and born of thee. And others were styles all standing but the style. And art with God's sweet grace and grace be. Without all my art and all without government. And as I learn my duty in the ranks.
My Mrs. Eyes are nothing like the sun. More when you are more red than her lips. Lips smelling like white and her shirts are done. If the hair's in yard black, wires grow on her head. I have seen roses, the mask, red and white. But those are roses I see, I hear. And in some perfume is there more than light. Red in the breath that from my mistress breathe. I'd love to hear her speak. Yeah, well I know that music has a far more pleasing sound. I never stop, I gotta go. My mistress, when she walks, treads on the ground. And yet, by heaven, I think my love is rare. And yet, by heaven, I think my love is rare. As Eddie, she be like with Buster Bear. As Eddie, she be like with Buster Bear.
They that have power to hurt and move on, that do not do the thing they must do show. Moving others are themselves and so. A move gold and to pace and grow. Did what we do and irrigate, have its graces, and have the nature legends from expense. They are the lords and owners of the places. Others just stare at their excellence. That's how far it is to the summer sweet, but to the sun but only live and die. But at the forward face and fracture meet, the face of Vita fries his dignity. For sweetest things turn sour by their deeds. Lilies act as they smell far worse than weeds. They that have power to hurt and will do none, that do not do the thing they most do show.
You are happy in constant spring, but proud thy April dressed in non-strip, not put a spirit in you, empty, the heavy Sabbath night. Yet, those the birds with sweet smell, the flowers in odor, the stories smell from the cloud that plucked like white, or praise the deep vermilion, and the rose, but sweet, but things of delight, drawn and figured, out of the Let's go, boys. We done.